Hello everybody and welcome back to Honest Marketing Tips channel. In today's video, I'm going to compare two of the most hyped affiliate marketing courses, and that is 3-Day Business Challenge by Jonathan Montoya and 15-Day Business Challenge by legendary marketer or Dave Sharp. Those are both very nice courses, but let's see what is the difference. I will start with the 3-Day Business Challenge by Jonathan Montoya and I talk about pros. This will be a fast pros and cons, and then I will show you both programs in the browser. So the cons of the 3-Day Business Challenge is it provides fast results. Only 3 days is enough for you to start an online business. It is extremely focused on affiliate marketing and you of course get quick results. Everything is included, especially organic traffic sources like TikTok and YouTube, and you get commissions straight away if you choose to promote it. What are the cons? In my opinion, no paid traffic sources tutorials are included, which is not a bad thing, because as a beginner affiliate marketer we recommend you start with organic traffic and do not spend money until you get some experience. Anyway, but Jonathan Montoya offers this separately, and of course he has some free videos on his YouTube channel regarding the paid traffic sources. And the other con is no active paid one-on-one coaches. One of the bonuses is one-on-one with Jonathan Montoya, but I think legendary marketing do that better. That's just my opinion, guys. Okay, 15-Day Business Challenge pros. This is a much broader course, of course, because it is like a whole 15 days challenge, which can be a bit slower than the 3-day challenge, but you get more content and more business models, and you have several business models explained, and you can choose which one you want to go. Also, you have the access to a business coach. You will build a business plan, and it's more business oriented type of course. Cons is, like I said, slow progress. It is 15 days versus the 2 days. The other con, in my opinion, is you have to pay for higher commissions, which is $30 a month for up to 60%. If you don't pay, you will have like 30 to 40% commissions, which is also okay. And there is some significant wait time for a business coach talk, something around 1 to 5 working days. So that is more or less pros and cons. And now I will go through all of through both of the challenges in the browser. I will start with the 3-Day Business Challenge by Jonathan Montoya, which is very fast-paced. It has only 3 days. In day 1 you will learn what affiliate marketing is and why it is the best business model today for online business. In day 2 you will build your own business in 30 minutes. Actually, step-by-step tutorial is there on how to build your sales funnel, how to connect everything to your autoresponder and get everything going, add your email sequence and everything you need to start. In day 3, they talk about traffic and starting making daily commissions. This is the program itself. You can see it's very nice, nicely organized. Here are the 3 days. After the 3rd day, you can, but you don't have to become a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate. Like I said, in day 1 you will learn like a eagle eyes view of the affiliate marketing. In day 2 you will actually build your business with ClickFunnels, GetResponse and other tools you need. And in day 3 you will learn about traffic through TikTok and YouTube. The good thing of the 3-day challenge is you have the workbook, and you have like a homework which you have to do on the official Facebook group, which is nice, and the community is really great. And what I really like about 3-day business breakthrough challenge and Jonathan Montoya is, at the moment, from this Monday, April 26th, he starts at the new 10-day TikTok traffic challenge, where you can easily and fast start getting commissions and sales through TikTok. You can, when you buy the course for only $7, you then can get into the Facebook group, and then you can start the challenge. There's also like $7,000 in prizes, which is listed here. It's very interesting to start a challenge, because everything is going on very fast, and you can grow your TikTok pretty fast with the help of other people that are in the challenge, will like your videos and comment, and it's very nice. Also, the group itself has these useful guides, like how to start a YouTube channel, how to use ClickFunnels, the traffic secrets by book, and similar. Okay, so Legendary Marketer, sorry, wrong link. Legendary Marketer is, like I said, a 15 days challenge by Dave Sharp. It is a highly slower paced, but with much more content, much more oriented on the business side of things, like lead generation, copywriting, sales, what to outsource, how to write your business plan, how to master the inner game of wealth. They will also teach you building a business in under 30 minutes, and they will give you like a core 4 high-ticket business models online. They also have a very nice community on the Facebook, and it is very good program. People like them. It also costs $7. So if you don't know which one to buy, you can buy both. In the links are in my description. Of course, those are my affiliate links, and I will earn a commission, but that doesn't mean that the price is any different for you. So it's $7 for both programs. What I wanted to say is try them both. It's $14 if you buy both, and then choose whichever you like. At the moment, I'm promoting, highly promoting the 3-day business challenge, because it's, in my opinion, it's much faster paced and people get results much sooner. But I also really like the Legendary Marketer program, and Dave Sharp is full of energy and really nice narrator, and you can learn a lot. They also have different funnels. You can promote like a 50-second free leads, which is oriented on TikTok, and business challenge, the ebook, and the copywriter's playbook. Whichever you choose will be nice. Thank you for this, and if you like this video, like it, and please subscribe to our channel, which would help our YouTube recognize it and boost it more. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.